Hola clase, este nuevo grupo. Hoy es jueves, el día 19 de enero 2023. It is Thursday, January 19th, and it is the second day in a row that you will be with a guest teacher so I can do some work with some other students. Thank you for your hard work on Wednesday. I really appreciate it. I did take a peek at a few of the alebrijes that were in the trays. I'm very excited to see what you've created, and I can't wait to see those on Monday when we are all back together. So here is what you're going to do today. After you watch this video, you are going to click your class's link to access the Edpuzzle. So these two links are actually to join our class. So if you were absent and haven't joined our Edpuzzle class yet, that's what these two links are for. Now, if you join our Edpuzzle class, you need to go ahead and scroll down and then click whichever link applies to you. You are going to do an Edpuzzle on alebrijes. Just to review, get your brain thinking back about alebrijes and make sure you understand what neat cultural device these are. So if you are in 6th period, my 6A class, you're going to click on this top link. If you're in 7th period, my 6B class, you're going to click on this bottom link, and that will take you to the Edpuzzle that you are going to complete. Once you've completed the Edpuzzle, then you are going to come back to the Canvas and ask yourself, have I finished my alebrije drawing? If the answer is yes, then you're going to start writing a paragraph about your alebrije. If the answer is no, then you need to finish that drawing. You will still need to do the paragraph assignment, but it's usually easy to do the paragraph assignment easiest if you have the alebrije done. So what needs to go in your paragraph? Well, here's what you should include. Number 1, make sure your paragraph is in English. Tell me what your alebrije's name is. That can be in Spanish or that can be in English, whichever you choose. If you choose Spanish, you're probably going to have to look up what that word means. What are the elements you included in your alebrije? What parts are connected to each of the elements you included in your alebrije? So like the fangs is a fire element, whatever you chose. You're going to describe your alebrije's personality. And the expectation is that you have 5 to 8 sentences for a paragraph in my class. And you should also make sure you have correct capitalization and punctuation. I have included an example of a paragraph I wrote for my alebrije. My alebrije's name is Fuego. Fuego means fire in Spanish. Fuego is made up of 3 different elements. He contains 2 earth elements, 2 wind elements, and 1 fire element. Fuego's earth elements are the body of a cheetah and the tail of a lizard. His wind elements are claws and wings. Although you cannot see his long fangs, these are his fire element. Fuego looks mean and ferocious, but he is actually kind and loyal. So that's just an example of what your paragraph should sound like. Remember, those were my words. Make sure you use your own words to describe your alebrije. So you have done the Edpuzzle. You've made sure your alebrije drawing is completed. And then you are going to write this paragraph. All right. If you have both 1 and 2 completed, then you can go ahead and go to class content, explore vocabulary in our Quizlet module in Canvas, read quietly, work on any other work you may have. And like I said, be sure that alebrije drawing from Wednesday's assignment is done. You are going to get the assignments from today in 2 different scores in PowerSchool. The Edpuzzle is worth 10 points, and the paragraph that you'll write will be worth 50. If you have any questions or need my help, check in with the guest teacher or send me a message through Canvas inbox. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Adios.